How's it going, gamers? ChoroQ time. So I just got one of my orders from Japan. Raj wanted to see it. So there it is. Unboxing time. Alright, so we seem to be having the Calsonic pack over here and free standard boxed ChoroQs, which we'll be checking out. So obviously bubble wrap and tape means I'm gonna need a fucking knife. Here's one I prepared earlier. We'll start with this. No, actually, let's start with the Calsonic pack, because we already know it's just full of bloody skylines, so no surprises here. And here they are. Sonic Racing Team, ChoroQ. So, R31, R32, R33, R34. What more can a man want? Side of the box. A bunch of things I cannot read. Probably telling me that if I put it in my mouth I'm gonna choke to death. It's taped up, so they cannot escape. I'll just carefully apply a knife. Also, as you've seen at the beginning, rival Toyota boy. More knife. The world's tiniest fucking Swiss knife. Ooh, the plastic housing them is so thin. I actually struggle to get it out the box. Stuck in there. The baby. Let's get them out. Are they cute? Here's the R31. Rappy boy. R32. Calsonic pack version. The R33. The sticker slightly peeling off the windshield, but that's probably easily fixable. 95. So I'm as old as a Calsonic R33. Nice. Same with this one. Just the window sticker isn't too great. But hey. Alright, so let's just put the box aside. We do not need it for now. Welcome to the bubble wrap ASMR. Nice. Alright, let's unbox this one now. Let's put all of your boys in a nice orderly line. Now look, small coin with 10 yen. That's a nice little bonus. Little token. Alright, so first down the order is Celsius Taxi. Nice. Let's open it up. nice and carefully, because I really do not play well. I really do not play well with tiny cardboard boxes. Like, I always demolish them, even when I try opening them carefully. Like, got it open. If you have tips on how to get these open without damaging them, I am all ears. There it is. Small boy. The small Choro boy. Number 51. Number 51. Sells your taxi. Broom. He's passed. Next up on the list is a Z. A fair lady. This box is already half opened, saving me some effort. Nice. Witness the birth of the churro. This one has a little bit more cardboard than the other one, probably because the other one didn't have it. Absolute mental logic, I know. Oh, and the hood opened itself, thanks to gravity. Come here. So that's the arrow. No. So that's the arrow nose Z30, which I think is maybe known as Z130 or something. Which is pretty cool. The arches are like golden. Let's open that hood. Nice. And as usual, when it comes to collectible toys, I, for some reason, always buy like just a bunch of Nissans, because that's the only thing I seem to find. And the last item in the box, but I cannot get out the box too easily because of lion tape. What are your secrets, lion tape? Why are you here? Just kind of peel it away very carefully. It feels pretty dried up, actually. Probably been there for years. If you have any information on this mysterious lion tape, hit me up. Can we see it? Alright. Now, should be able to open this up. There, that's better. Boom. Another bloody Nissan. Much older Skyline. Now, this is only part of what I bought because of Raj. the other day. We're gonna get a couple more parcels in the coming days. So the thing is, I'm a bit surprised because I did not order an old Skyline like this. So was the order mixed up, or is this a gift? Who knows? I will have to do some investigation. But anyways, here we are. Here's the haul. Oh look. Peugeot. Hi. Anyways, back to our business. Our business. Camcorder accident. Alright, just chill here for a minute. So that's gonna be it for, I guess, episode 1 of ChoroQ unboxing with Dash. Hopefully Postal Services didn't eat my old packages and I will be receiving them soon with more unboxing, because that's what the kids like. So I guess I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.